In this video, I'll show you how to use Formaloo to streamline your applicant tracking process and improve your team's overall efficiency. I'll explain how to create a custom job application form that collects the information you need, use Kanban boards to visualize and manage your applicant pipeline, integrate Formaloo with other HR tools to create a complete solution. Let's start. If you already have a workspace, go there, or if you'd like to learn more about it, watch the linked video at the top right. Step 1 is to have a job application form. You can either use the template or create one from scratch. Make sure to watch a video linked to see how to create a form with Formaloo. A quick tip: include an admin-only field that applicants won't see to organize your system. In this case, it's a single choice field to define the status of the application. Step 2 is to organize your applicant tracking system. In the dashboard, create another page where you'll display results. Even though you have many view options, let's choose the Kanban board as it's the best for this case. Now it's time to get those responses. They will gradually appear on the Kanban board. A quick tip: to be notified as soon as you have a new submission, make sure to allow email notifications. You can also put your colleagues' email so they can be informed with you. You can customize what information you'd like to have displayed on the cards. Drag and drop interface allows you to easily organize the applicants, saving tons of time. Step 3 is integration with your favorite tools. Click on the profile icon and go to the App Store. To install a particular system on your Formaloo, just click on Install, and there you have it. If you'd like to skip all the hustle, you can also use our pre-made applicant tracking template. Visit our HR landing page to read more about why HR teams choose Formaloo. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to Formaloo's channel for more helpful tips. Happy Formalooing!